Welcome back. Welcome back. You may Diamond K in here, of course. RadioFire.com, thediamondkshow.com. Thank you for joining me. So, Eric Llewellyn lives in Kansas. He is a Gulf War veteran and a farmer who moonlights as a radiology technician. And to keep, the hospital open that he worked at, he had to sleep in his RV. As I said, he is a radiology technician. And living in Kansas and working at this hospital, he had to sleep in his RV in the parking lot of the rural Kansas hospital for more than a week. Why do you have to do this? Because his coworkers were out sick with COVID-19. So we talk about this virus and how it is affecting places. His coworkers are out sick. No one else is available to take the x-rays. And a doctor and a physician assistant tested positive on the same day. Back in November, briefly leaving the hospital without anyone who could actually write prescriptions or oversee any kind of patient care. The hospital's full, and without the necessary staff, they are diverting patients isn't really an option because the surrounding medical centers are also overwhelmed. This is what many rural communities are facing. So the hospital is called Rush County Memorial Hospital. It's in La Crosse. And this really shows the depths of the crisis that is happening in rural America. Right now, more than 2,000 people a day are falling to this virus. 2,000. So not only are we dealing with the deaths, 2,000 deaths a day, but doctors, nurses, and medical staff nationwide being sidelined. But when we talk about these rural communities, the problem is particularly dire because they don't have much of a bullpen or many places to send patients when hospitals in their region are also dealing with the same issue. So, like I said, definitely want to commend Eric Llewellyn to keep this hospital open, start living in his RV in a parking lot because he needed to be on site as the only remaining healthy staffer to perform x-rays. He said that he was it. Shortly after begging the hospital laundry staff to start washing his scrubs because he had run out of clean ones. This is the seriousness of this pandemic. The doctor and the physician assistant returned on Thursday after finishing their quarantine. And of course, they were swamped with a backlog of patients. So they came back last Thursday. And it is really critical right now. I often say this, and you have these people that want to downplay what's going on or spit out these conspiracy theories that President Trump, the loser, President Trump, one-termer, President Trump talks about. But this virus is serious. And while the president is still, ranting about the election that he lost last month, and not talking about the people in his country that are suffering, not talking about the economy, which is in shambles. And this is the virus that was supposed to go away. This is the virus that was only 15 people at one point, so according to the president, and but he knew the real deal. And his loss is a mandate. People want better. And as this virus continues to spread, as I said, many hospitals are being pushed to the limit. I encourage you, mask up. Yes, several vaccines are on deck, but that is still going to take time, and the efficacy is something that is still being looked at, and we're not going to know the true efficacy until it is out and administered, and hopefully side effects are not too bad. But we are at a critical time. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, TikTok, at The Diamond K Show, at Radio on Fire. Of course, if you miss any episodes of the program, radioonfire.com is where you go. Also, youtube.com/DJ Diamond K. I am here daily, mornings and evenings, giving you my spin on politics and entertainment. Mainstream media often promotes misinformation. Here at Radio on Fire, we provide Americans with unapologetic, progressive news coverage and opinion. Our outlet challenges the establishment and provides a platform for people to demand positive change while speaking truth to power. Radio on Fire is a digital content creator generating over 375,000 views per month. Our news and opinion in entertainment programs are straightforward. I'm going to tell you how I feel. Definitely going to tell you how I feel. And you let me know your thoughts